traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 31st, and this is my analysis of the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So today is interest rate news for the US, and so they are not planning on raising interest rates, but it is definitely one of the biggest news events that there is, so definitely going to cause lots of volatility. I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event, so definitely make sure you stop in for that. I'm still personally betting that this is going to start a uptrend. I still think that this is a wave A. I still think this is 3 waves down for wave B. I still think there's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which I think is going to be an expanding flat wave C on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still calling this move up right here, wave 1. I still think this is a WXY wave 2. I still think we're in a wave 3, and I think this move down is just a subdivision of that wave 3. I think it's going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So going down to the daily time frame, we broke down a few weeks ago on the daily time frame, but to me this move down is definitely looking corrective compared to this move up. We are sitting right at the 50% Fibonacci level. We got very big news coming out today. Kind of seems to me like the most likely thing to happen today is that this is going to break up and most likely continue the uptrend. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's take it right down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I've definitely been looking for shorts ever since we broke down on the daily time frame over here. But I think there is definitely some clarity in this move right here. I think this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. And then we have an ABC right there in the middle. And then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you have a 5-way pattern with an ABC in the middle and another 5-way pattern, that is almost always an A, a B, and a C correction. I think we're right at the 50%. I think it's going to break to the upside. Now, what's going to happen between now and the news is going to definitely be very important to help us figure out what's going to happen. And like I said, I will be live streaming to reevaluate these before the news comes out. So definitely make sure you check that out on YouTube. But I think the most likely thing is it's probably going to try to drift out a little bit, and then at the news, it's probably going to go up, break structure, hopefully ending this correction and continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1-hour time frame, like I was just explaining, we're at the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the daily time frame. We definitely have what I think is a zigzag pattern. We have 5 waves down, ending right here for wave A. We have 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave B. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for what I think looks like a wave C. Definitely don't have a breaker structure to the upside yet, and it might even kind of drift around a little bit. And who knows what's going to happen between now and the news, but I think whatever happens between now and the news is going to be setting itself up for the news. So that's why it's going to be important to reevaluate these things right before the news comes out, and I will be streaming on YouTube, so definitely make sure you check that out. I do think the most likely thing to happen today is it's going to start to break structure to the upside and most likely continue the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.